TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good Monday morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. It's 9 a.m., beginning of the trading week, and it looks like we're off to a positive start. Dow futures up 153 points, or almost 0.7%, trading at 24,079. S&P futures up 13 points, or 0.5%, trading at 2619. And Nasdaq futures up 45 points, or right at 0.7%, trading at 6,500 on the dot. Start things off. Let's take a look at the VIX this morning. Quite a market we had Friday, with indices falling about 2%. There's your spike in the VIX as markets were trading negative this morning, looking like 2128 on that volatility index. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the Dow 30. So been quite a trend higher, not too much volatility as we've climbed higher, reaching a high of about 24,143 in the Dow 30 futures as about 5:30 a.m. Eastern time, pulling back a bit from that level, but still near the highs of the pre-market session, 24,077 in the Dow. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar action. We were up there to about 65.26 at one point, so we're back about 30 points from those highs we made, again, about 5:30 a.m. Eastern time, 64.96 in the NASDAQ 100. S&P 500, highs of the session, pre-market that is, 26.27. We're a good 20 points off that level. So markets, even though in the positive, doing well, we were higher. And when you talk about a good 10 points in the S&P, still nothing to shake off. Gold with some volatility as well this morning. So overnight, we're at 1336. We trade down just at about 1330, and we are back up at that 1336.77 level. Crude oil getting some volatility and a bid in the last 2.5 hours. From 6:30, we're trading at 62.15. We're up a good 60 cents from that level, currently trading 62.76. And Bitcoin as well. We were just up at 7,200. Most of last week, we finished it up, and there is last week at about 6,600. Looks like we're heading for that level this morning, with Bitcoin currently trading 67.56. So what else we have going on this week? We'll have Facebook, Mark Zuckerberg. He will be testifying in front of Congress tomorrow and Wednesday. Should see what happens on that front. Excuse me. Stay tuned. We got our man Larry Pezzimento coming up right now. Trade what you see. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Of course, swim lessons at 11. Basil Chapman at 12. Steve Rhodes at 1 o'clock. Dave White with the Power Trading Hour at 2 o'clock. And Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great day.